How to enable quit mode on Instagram or how to enable night mode on Instagram. This is the same, so just go on your profile icon. You can see this is a, you need to click on this 3 minute dot. Then you can see here are time management. Just click here. Wow, you can see today I use 28 minutes on Instagram. Then this is weekly average 4 minutes. So you can see this is a sleep mode. This mean quit mode, and I want to need to enable. Then select your day and time. This is very easy. Remember purpose, start time 10 p.m. and get up 5 a.m. and you can set it as your preference. So this is a method how you can set quit mode or sleep mode on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.